Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So we have the problem on our screen. The function f of x equal to x square minus 1 divided by x cube minus 1 is not defined at x equals 1, right? So what value must we give f of 1 in order to make f of x continuous at x equals 1, right? So we know that this function has been given to us, but we've been told that this function is not defined for x equals 1, right? So how do we write this again in the form of an equation? So let's call x not equal to 1, right? And then we've been told to figure out what is it that I need to give f of x for function f of x to be continuous at x equal to 1, right? So if I rearrange my f of x and define it like this gives us a clarity on what we are supposed to do in order to find out f of 1, right? So now I know that for my function to be continuous f at x equal to 1, I should have my continuity conditions satisfied, right? And what is my continuity condition? My limit x tending to 1, and in this case I don't think you need to really worry about your left hand or the right hand limit because you have a common function for uh, be it x lesser than 1 or x greater than 1, right? So the limits LHL and RHL will be equal in this case, so we can straight away uh, go ahead and calculate the limit for x tending to 1. So that has to be equal to f at x equal to 1, right? So there we have the condition on the screen, and this becomes a simple limit problem here on. So all that I need to do is go ahead and simplify this to arrive at the limit as x tends to 1, right? So let's do that. What is my x square minus 1? I have that in the numerator. So let me simplify this further. I know that my x square minus 1 is x minus 1 into x plus 1, right? And what is my x cube minus 1? My x cube minus 1 is of the format a cube minus b cube, right? Where my a is x and my b is 1. And what is my a cube minus b cube? Is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And when I write this out, this is what I get, right? Plus x plus 1, right? Now I can cancel out my x minus 1, right? So I can cancel out my x minus 1, and when I do that I get x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1, right? Right, and let's pull out our pencil and cancel out my x minus 1. I don't think we can further simplify this, and what do I get if I do a substitution of x equals 1? I get a 2 in the numerator because my 1 plus 1 equals 2, and I get a 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is my 3, right? I get a 1 plus 1, and I get a 1 plus 1 plus 1 in the denominator. That leaves me with an answer 2 by 3, right? So there we have solved the problem. So if I redefine my function to give f of 1 a value 2 by 3, then I can confidently say that my function is continuous at x equals 1, right? So, so I hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.